What's up, everybody? How you feeling? Have you ever wanted to link your website to another page or to a direct section on your page? For example, I have this website right here, eChurch Digital, and when I click services, it slides down to the services section. When I click videos, it slides down to the video section. But the only challenge is when I go to my blog, right, because it's a totally different page, and I click clients, nothing happens. I click videos, nothing happened. I'm going to show you how to fix that right now, so keep it locked. What's up, family? This video right here is sponsored by Gospel Swag, where our mission is to spread the gospel through fashion. We have hoodies, hats, t-shirts, and more. So do me a favor. Why don't you go ahead and stop by gospelswag.net today? That's gospelswag.net. Now let's get back to the video. God bless. Okay, so the challenge we have right now is we're on our homepage, right? As long as we're on our homepage, the jump tos work. That one works. That one works. But when I go to my blog page, right, and I try the jump tos, they don't work. So how do you fix that? Well, the way you're going to fix that is we're going to go ahead and set one for our client section. So you want to go to your dashboard. Okay, then you want to go to the pages, to page where your jump to is at. So it's on our home page. Our client section is on our home page. And we're going to go ahead and open up that home page right there by clicking edit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the client section and we're going to add a tag. So we want to scroll down to where you want it to jump to. So we're going to go to our client section. Scroll down. Here we go. So I'm going to click right there. Right? Now if you notice, let me get out the way. If you notice over here, it opens up a new block. Okay? So I want to scroll down and I want to go to advanced. And then in this section where it says HTML anchor, I want to type in clients. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in clients. And then we're going to click save. Okay, I'm going to click save. All right, then what we need to do is we need to go to our menu section. Okay, so we're going to go to menus. I'm going to click menus here. All right, and then we're going to look for where it says clients. There we go. So now we want to put a URL in here. Okay, and the URL we want to put is HTTPS. Then you put your home page, eChurch Digital. Homepage link. Oops, sorry, I misspelled it. Digital.com. Then you want to put the what do you call this? The number symbol. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Number symbol, and then we're going to put clients like that. Okay, and then we're going to click save menu. Okay, so now when we go to our blogs section, so I'm going to hit refresh. Okay, and we're going to visit from our home page. So we're going to go back to our home page. All right, we're going to click our blog page. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click clients, and it should take us over to the client section with the smooth scroll, or with the scroll, not smooth but a scroll, and that's how you fix it. So if I click services, it scrolls there. Masterclass, it scrolls there. If I go to blog, right, and I click clients or masterclass or services, it's going to take me back to the home page and scroll to that section. You can add a smooth scroll if you want, but that's another tutorial for another day. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, family. Also, if this video has added any value or given you any value, do me a favor, like, follow, subscribe, and share. It's your boy Pastor Dre. God bless.